Our power and internet services are continuously being upgraded in both capacity and connectivity. Sa ating free Wi-Fi program, halos 10 milyong unique user devices ang nakikinabang sa libreng internet sa mahigit 13,000 lugar sa buong Pilipinas. Nasasagap ito sa marami nating mga paaralan at mga malalayo at liblib na mga po. Patuloy pa ang ating pinaparami ng mga libreng Wi-Fi sa buong bansa. As part of our nationwide internet infrastructure development, Phase 1 of the National Fiber Backbone has been completed and operationalized. Phase 2 and 3 have already begun early this year and shall be completed by 2026. This fiber backbone will give us sufficient capacity in terms of bandwidth. As of 2022, only